I did all 4 sessions only on my shoulder. When I came in, my shoulder pain at certain angles, medically it's a pulsar, which had a medical thing, and I was doing physiotherapy for the last 7-8 months. I took this up over here, and it's almost 90%, maybe more, if I could say, gone. More than that's definitely happened, but my attention is not coming to the shoulder anymore, and it's not bothering in my day-to-day life.
Yeah, so you definitely know now that underneath that physical...
So my experience has been, and I was testing this, definitely without doubt, that the emotion that was stuck underneath was what got this over. And yes, in present time, I did come up and say, I'm stuck in life where my work is concerned. And I can see now that has started moving, and that actually in class I can see what came up, and that's what it has.